जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine, good, thank you. As always, I'm good. Okay, thank you here to be here on this tutorial. This is simple elbow. You are showing this is pipe elbow. You are showing in this tutorial, this screen on your screen. Okay, this is hollow from both side and both side thread created. Okay, okay. I hope you like it. Let's start. We created this elbow. Okay. Okay. Start from a new file in SolidWorks. Open a new file from here. Part. Select part because we are making separate part. Okay. Front plane. Sketch. Here. Sketch. Select a line. Okay. Here. Line. Okay. Now select first line and shift key select second line. Make both equal. Okay. Now go to sketch fillet. Sketch fillet. Select this point. Yes. Okay. It's 15 mm. Okay. Select dimension. Give length here. It's 30 mm. This length of line is 30 mm. 30 this and this one also 30 mm. Okay. Now go to features, sweep boss base and circular path. Select this line. Make here 28 mm. Okay. 28 mm. Thin features, go to thin feature 3 mm. Okay, here you can see 3 mm. Now so our pipe is hollow. This elbow is hollow. Okay. Okay, you can see there. Okay. Now select this and go to sketch. Now we are making a flange on this end. Select a circle, dimension, it's 34 mm. Okay. Okay. Now go to features, extrude boss base, blind 10 mm, not we want 5 mm. Okay. And outward side, select here, select controls, just outer side. Okay. Okay. It's done. Now same procedure at other end, at this end. Select this, sketch, select a circle from center point. Okay, dimension, give circle dimension 34 mm. Okay, features, extrude, blind, invert side and select here controls, select just outer side. Okay, here. Now our last thing is selected thread making inward side here. Okay, you can see. Okay, now go to sketch, features, go features, whole wizard, from here thread, go to thread command. Okay, thread location, select first point, we want a location here, and blind, how much, it's 12 mm, keep it 12 mm. Okay, metric threads, and here 22 diameter and 1 mm, it's 1.5, it's keep 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Cut thread, because we want internal thread, so make cut threads. Okay, metric die, metric tab. Okay, here. Here you can see internal thread. Here's simply problem we created our last thread not completed. So again go to thread, edit feature. Here you have offset command, offset 1 millimeter and outer side. Okay, click. Okay, here now thread is completed. Okay, same procedure at the second end. Okay, here again go to whole wizard, thread, first point, select this one, first point, and blind 12 mm, metric tab, and this one wall 1.5 mm. Okay, extrude cut. Okay, not on this end, we want to make it on this. Again go here, delete, here sketch this end. Sorry, again go to whole wizard, thread, here select this location. Okay, 12 mm, blind, metric tab. Okay, cut thread 1.5 mm, keep it 1.5. Okay, right hand thread, cut thread. Okay, here we go. Now simply thread is ready, you can see here. Okay, now last thing, fillet and this, how much, 0.5. Okay, here same thing on second end, fillet, select this 0.5. Okay, you can see here our elbow is ready. Here I think we have a mistake at this end. Here last thread is not completed, so go to again second thread, edit features, offset outer side 1 millimeter. Okay, now you can see here that it's completed. Okay, here we'll add some material. Go here, metal. We have many metals here and we will select one of them. Wrought iron, polished copper, polished brass, polished aluminium. Okay, polished steel. It's looking better here. Okay. If you want to change material, you have many materials here. You can choose anyone. Okay. This one. This is wrought iron. Okay. Here polished gold. We'll choose polished gold. Okay. Here our object is ready. You can see it. Thanks for watching. Save this file.